Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdega M. Chimthanawala. Today I will discuss a very important remedy, a remedy that you must have used lots of time in your practice. I'll discuss a very simple case and add my view about that remedy and some symptoms of that remedy which I found useful in my practice. I had a simple case of diarrhea. The patient says मेरे को बहुत लैट्रिन लगी है and his next symptom immediately told that my diarrhea is very painful. मुझे बहुत दर्द होता है लैट्रिन करने के टाइम पे because of diarrhea. Now you must have heard constipation which are painful, but diarrhea painful, a very rare symptom what the patient told me. These were the first two symptoms immediately when the patient came and told me on the first day. That is, he had diarrhea and painful diarrhea. So without wasting the time, I told, ये शुरू कैसे हुआ? आपने बाहर खाना खाया? How did it start? Whether you ate food outside, you ate food which was rotten, you ate food of the previous day, or you went to a marriage, you went to a friend's place, because of that you had diarrhea. He said, no sir, I have eaten my home food and eaten lots of vegetables. I was very hungry and I had lot of vegetables. I ate lot of palak ki bhaji, and I feel that because of that overeating of that vegetable, I have got diarrhea. Now my friends, remember what symptom to take for prescription. The patient feels that he might have overeaten, and the patient has eaten vegetable, that is spinach, palak ki bhaji. So let me go further and elaborate few symptoms what the patient told me. So next symptom, definitely asked him कि diarrhea कैसा है, बहुत गंदी, how is the smell, how is the odor of the diarrhea, and immediately told me sir odor तो गंदी है, लेकिन इसी 2 दिन से मेरे को तकलीफ हो रही है. तो फर्स्ट टाइम क्या तो डायरिया का कलर थोड़ा सेमी सॉलिड येलोइश, फिर दोपहर को गया था ब्राउनिश हो गया, फिर थोड़ा रेडिश दिख रहा था, ऐसी कलर चेंज कर रहा है. एंड दी ओडर इज डेफिनेटली बहुत ही बास, सड़े हुए अंडे का समान बास आ रही थी मेरी. नाउ व्हेनेवर इफ यू हैव दैट डायरिया व्हिच इज चेंजिंग इट्स कलर, one remedy that comes to everybody's mind, that is changeability, and that is pulsatilla. But you must remember some remedies which you can compare with this changeability of the color of stool. We'll see what the offensiveness of diarrhea. First, understand the changeability of color. So you must remember pulsatilla. You always must remember sanicula, podophyllum, and one more remedy, a polycrest remedy, but changeable color in stool, that is Cilicia. See, all remedies frequently used in our practice, but we forget them sometimes because we think specific of a remedy. We never think about Cilicia, where the stools are changeable in color. Stools changeable color in podophyllum, in sanicula and pulsatilla. So 4 remedies you must remember. And of course, the smell of the stool was like sedivende, like rotten eggs. These 4 symptoms, and then I told him whether you can add some more symptom, and he said, sir, लैट्रिन जाने टाइम में गैसेस बहुत आती है, डम 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 आवाज आती है, फाड़ फूड़ आवाज आती, इतना गंदा लगता है that I feel very embarrassed while passing stools. What was he telling? कि when he goes for stools, there is lot of gas, there is lot of noises when he goes in the bathroom, and it feels very embarrassed. So I have to see that nobody is around, and then I have to go for stools. So that means the patient was telling flatulence during stools. These 4-5 symptoms are sufficient to prescribe the remedy. I know you must have guessed the remedy. Let's recap the patient's symptom, the symptoms of mater medica, and then the repeated symptoms. The first symptoms, diarrhea, painful, and diarrhea from vegetable. Diarrhea from vegetable was a very important symptom. Painful diarrhea, stools changing color, stools smell of rotten eggs like, and flatulence during stools. A very simple remedy, that is podophyllum. I gave him podophyllum 1 ml, 2 doses, first dose today, and repeated the next day, and in about the first day only he was feeling better. In about a week's time his whole diarrhea was cured. In 3 days only it was cured, but he came after a week to report. When I was seeing the mathematics of podophyllum, I found some few interesting symptoms in podophyllum which I would like to share with you, which we never think of while studying podophyllum, because podophyllum means diarrhea polychromatic, changeable diarrhea. We never think of these symptoms, and when I studied this remedy, I had used these remedies in those symptoms which were never thought of, and I have got wonderful results. So always tell my students, doctors, that you have to be an unprejudiced observer as what Dr. Honeyman has told. The first symptom that you must remember in podophyllum, a very important symptom, that is perspiration on scalp which is hot. Hot perspiration on the scalp. Of course, you must remember for this chamomilla, semicifuga, glonine, opium and podophyllum. Hot perspiration on the scalp, and in podophyllum you will always find a pointed tongue. The tongue is very much pointed. You can see in your podophyllum patient, pointed tongue. Now pointed tongue, you must remember few remedies which are also important in this case, that is chelidonium, lachesis, soranum, ipecac and podophyllum. These 3-4 drugs also has pointed tongue. Now few symptoms related to podophyllum mind, very important, that is delusion. In podophyllum, the patient has a delusion that he has heart disease. A very important symptom you must remember of podophyllum. Delusion that he has heart disease. Delusion that the disease is incurable. Whenever you have this delusion as if he has heart disease, this symptom has 3-4 remedies that you must remember, that is natrum carb, calcarea carb, graphitis and podophyllum. All these remedies have delusion as if they have heart disease, a very important symptom in podophyllum, and of course delusion as if the disease is incurable. One more symptoms of podophyllum related to gastric complaints, related to a delusion, is also very important, and that is delusion that he will have liver disease. Delusion that he will have liver disease. So whenever a podophyllum patient comes to you, please do try to get out this symptom if the patient is suffering from delusion of heart disease, delusion his disease is incurable, or delusion that he will have liver disease. A very important symptom of podophyllum apart from the diarrhea symptoms. And one symptom that I have confirmed in podophyllum, that is in the right hypochondriac there is coldness in the right hypochondriac region. Again, a very important symptom of podophyllum. You must remember with this symptom calcarea floor. Calcarea floor also has coldness in the right hypochondriac region. And when I tell flatulence during stools, you must also remember constipation with flatulence, because we only remember the diarrhea part of podophyllum, but podophyllum also has constipation, and the constipation is always with flatulence. Now constipation with flatulence with podophyllum, you must remember 2 or 3 drugs, and that is colonsonia and basilinum. These 2 remedies also has constipation with flatulence. So my friends, apart from the diarrhea symptom, do remember symptom of perspiration on the scalp which is hot, pointed tongue, delusion of heart disease, liver disease, delusion that the disease is incurable, and constipation with flatulence. This will make a beautiful picture of podophyllum related to GI tract. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.